Is AI replacing software engineers? A provocative question indeed. We're living in an era where AI, like Devin, is becoming increasingly sophisticated. But does this mean our code-writing comrades are on the brink of extinction? Not quite. Let's dive into why. Devin AI isn't in the business of job snatching. Rather, it's all about collaboration. Devin is engineered to tackle those tedious, repetitive coding tasks, liberating our software engineers for more intricate problem-solving and innovation. If anything, it's like a dynamic duo, the Batman and Robin of the coding world. But let's not forget, software engineering isn't just about writing code. It's a multifaceted role involving communication, design, understanding user needs, and testing. These areas require a human touch where creativity and social skills shine brightest. Try as it might, AI can't quite replicate the nuanced empathy, creativity, and interpersonal skills inherent to us humans. Output. And let's not overlook the limitations of AI. Devin may be a quick learner, able to adapt to new information. However, throw an entirely new concept its way, or a project that requires reasoning beyond its training data, and it may stumble. AI, like any tool, has its strengths and weaknesses. So, is AI replacing software engineers? The short answer is no. It's more accurate to say AI, like Devin, is augmenting their abilities, making them even more productive. The future of software development isn't a dystopian landscape devoid of human input. Rather, it's a harmonious blend of human and AI, collaborating to create superior products. In summary, fear not, software engineers. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to collaborate, to enhance your skills, and to brave the intricate labyrinth of codes together. AI is your ally, not your adversary. Together, humans and AI are shaping a future where productivity and innovation reign supreme.